We'll kickstart this edition with some breaking news coming in. Death toll in the Rudraprayag incident has risen to 14. Chief Minister Pushkar Dhami meets the injured people. The Prime Minister has also announced a disgrace of 2 lakh rupees to the kin of deceased. A vehicle fell into a gorge in Rudraprayag. 26 people were on board that particular vehicle. It met with this accident.
घायलों का इलाज यहाँ पर जो है जो ज़रूरी है सबको इलाज मिल रहा है और उनके परिवार के लोगों को भी जो है अभी सूचना की जा रही है उनकी जानकारी करके और जैसे मिल जाएगा आगे का इलाज उनका अच्छा हो उसके लिए सारे समुचित प्रबंध यहाँ अस्पताल प्रबंधन ने किए हैं.
Ankit getting asked more details on that story. Ankit, and unfortunately in this case the death toll, though expected, has risen to 14. What more can you tell us about those who are injured? How are they doing at this point in time? In fact, promise of relief is also coming from the government. Financial relief, at least for the family members of those who died here.
Yes, of course, Neha, a tragic accident has left everyone in a shock right now. And news coming in from Rudraprayag which says that 14 people have died in this accident. The toll numbers are rising. And as per our sources from AIIMS, which tell us that the 5 injured are critical right now. 2 of them are on ventilator, while 3 of them are struggling. So there are multiple injuries on chest, on head, skull injuries there, and multiple fractures are also there. So it is very tragic indeed. And right now, from Chief Minister to Prime Minister Modi, everyone has taken the cognizance of this accident and have also expressed their deep condolences and grief as well, wherein ex gratia has been also given to the kins of the dead from Prime Minister's office as well as Chief Minister's office. The injured who were critically ill were airlifted earlier today to AIIMS, which are being treated right now, while others who are less critical are being treated at Rudraprayag. Now, our sources also tell us that these were young people who were going to Tungnath for a track expedition, and while on way to Rudraprayag just 3 kilometers before in Rentoli area, the mishap took place wherein it killed 14 people. It also, the sources also tell us that due to a nap in a jiffy of time caused the accident, and while others who were also traveling were in nap during that time. Now it's not confirmed, but the sources tell us so, and right now the investigation is going on. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has also ordered an ministerial inquiry into the matter, and it is being checked whether there was overloading, whether these people were registered or not, and what were the precautions and registration process were followed when people are riding or traveling towards the mountains, and though they were not going for Char Dham Yatra but going for trekking. And in recent times we have seen another accident that took place recently, killing many people, and they were while they were during the trek. But this is something which needs to be checked, and the government is conducting an inquiry.
All right, thanking you for the moment. Ankit Sharma getting us up to speed with those details as far as that tragedy in Rudraprayag today is concerned.